Hello everyone, welcome to the journey of German language training. Today we are going to learn about the pronunciation of German alphabets. Now let's get into the lesson. The German language has 30 alphabets. The first 26 alphabets are the same as the English ones. There are also 4 additional letters, umlauted forms of 3 vowels and 1 unique consonant. Umlaut is the pair of dots placed over certain vowels. Now let's see how they are pronounced. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The letters F, L, M, N, O and S are pronounced just like the English letters. Now let's have a look at the umlaut letters. A umlaut A, O umlaut Ö, U umlaut Ü. The German umlauts are an important part of German words both for grammar function and pronunciation. The meaning of a word and its function can be completely changed by the presence or absence of umlauts. For example, schon, which means already, schön, which means beautiful. The umlaut letters are not easy to pronounce because the English language doesn't have similar sounds. But there are tips to make this pronunciation easier. Here are the tips. To pronounce O umlaut, say the letter A with your lips rounded. To pronounce U umlaut, say the letter E pursing your lips as if to whistle. Your tongue should touch the back of your lower teeth firmly. Finally, we have the unique consonant called SZ. This letter is the combination of German letters S and Z. This letter is also known as scharfes S, which means sharp S. We should be aware that the pronunciation of a letter by itself may be different from when it is used in a word. Watch the unique sounds of these alphabets with examples in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.